Day 152.
And I'm bleeding words, they escape me, the recall it hurts.
Wait. Wait. Okay. Good boy. Love you, bud. I'm on my way to get Will, almost to his house. We're going to a basin. It's gonna be sick. Weather's kind of meh, but that's okay. We're gonna have a blast. I really want to hit the little 3 jump line they have today, so hopefully that's good. Speed should be fine because it didn't snow or anything. It's just cloudy and really windy, so I'm wearing a jacket opposed to a hoodie. Because pro tip of the day, the wind goes right through the hoodies where it doesn't go through your jacket. So on these really windy days, sometimes it's best to just wear a shell instead of a hoodie, and you'll stay warm, but you also won't be too hot. Pro tip of the day. What's up, Will? Ready to shred?
Hope we don't have thunderstorms.
Right?
We get one of them for our cars.
Oh yeah, first spot. We made it. It's not so busy. It's gonna be sick. It's kind of snowing too. My boots didn't dry from yesterday. What a bummer. I hate putting my foot in a wet boot. So Will's running up to get his $10 pass because he works for Vail. He's got to get that $10 pass, and then he'll be here in just a second. And I'm so excited to shred today. Like, I don't know why I'm so stoked for today because the weather's kind of crappy, but I'm pretty excited. Probably because I don't have to hike.
can't look the other way. I'm chasing starlight to find it's died away. Breathe it in. It's just now. We're just falling, and we won't always free fall back to nothing. 'Cause I'm just starting to learn. I've always been chasing.
Day 152.
Yeah, you enjoyed it?
Just got here.
Nice.
What's your name?
Ethan.
Ethan, where you from?
Down in Denver.
Okay.
What?
What's your name? Daniel watches the channel. It's sick.
And I'm bleeding words. They escape me, the recall it hurts. And I can't look the other way. I'm chasing starlight to find it's died away. Breathe it in. It's just now. We're just falling.
Wobble at the top there, like over your back.
Back to nothing. 'Cause I'm just starting to learn. I've always been chasing.
What a sick day.
Sick.
Dude, it was so sick.
Cringy handshake.
Kind of tired, but so much fun. We're leaving at the right time. There's a gnarly storm coming in. Got that first row parking. I was doing just fine till we got to the car, and man, now it's so hot. I gotta take the jacket off. Dying. Alright, we gotta take Will home. Such a fun day. So we went to fly the drone and quickly realized I didn't bring the SD card. Oops. So now, no drone shots. Rip. Sorry guys.
I did try to go snowboarding with you.
Heck yeah, it was fun, man.
Sick shredding.
Yeah, see you next
See you
time.
later.
Will's such a sick guy to shred with. It's so much fun. super stoked that he's been coming out with me, helping me film, make these videos. So shout out to Will, he's awesome. We also got to do our sticker shout out. We got Sir Heathbow rocking it on the red helmet, looking sick. Thanks for supporting the channel, man. That white DC is pretty sick too. You guys know how much I like DC. Guys, the new sticker is out. We have the Skating Evolution sticker. It's so sick. So if you guys want to get the Snowboarding Evolution sticker or the Skate one, links in the description down below. We also have the What a Nice Guy sticker. That's in the link down below too. Check out the stickers and tag me at Johnathan Buckhouse to get yourself a sticker shout out. They're super sick. I really like making these stickers and seeing you guys rocking them. You guys are so awesome. The stickers are so sick. Thank you so much. Someone's got to be the first sticker shout out for the summer sticker. Who's it going to be? We're shipping them out like crazy, so got to get that first sticker shout out for the Evolution skate sticker. With all that, if you liked today's video, give it a thumbs up. If you really liked it, give it a share. That's huge. It helps us grow. We really want to keep growing, guys, so we can just keep making fun, great content. Also, if you're new to this channel and you just watched it, hit that subscribe button to see us keep making fun, great content. Also, turn on that notification bell, guys, so you can know when the videos are posted and watch them right away. Get that first comment. It's like a battle. There's a couple of you guys that are always on that first comment. I see you. I like to reply to you guys' comments. First comment's sweet. Also, guys, if you missed day 151, I'm going to throw it up over there. I went to the Frisco Hike Park. That was super fun. It's like Frisco does a tubing hill. They smash it, and they put a bunch of rails in, and then let you hike it until all the snow is gone. It's so much fun. And I forgot to mention in yesterday's video, but we have a new sponsor. It's called Hill Glider. There's the episode right there. We were bombing the hill. It's a skateboard that you ride on the grass like a snowboard. We were really bad at it. We're going to get better. But if you use the coupon code Buckhouse2017, you'll save $20 on the Hill Glider. And I told them we sell 100 in the first 6 months. So we got to hit that number. It'd be so sick if we actually hit that. You guys all rock. I know we can hit that number. Currently, it's the first thunderstorm of the summer. Summer's right around the corner. We're going to do a lot of skating, a lot of fun stuff. So if you really like snowboarding, just be ready for a bunch of other videos, but they're going to be sick, I promise. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Keep evolving, and we'll see you next time.